Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends.
In this video, we will explain about the digital economic learning material, namely
Digital business model.
and big data economics.
Are you ready guys? Hello guys, welcome. Today we will talk about digital business model. Modeling concept. Business model as a strategic business analysis tool have evolved since the early 20th century. Business model are used as a strategic tool to identify key aspects of an organization business operation, describe the current situation, and formulate strategic action needed to deal with competitive change. Definition of business models. A business model is the way an organization creates, delivers, captures, and sustains value. Value in a business model is not only limited to monetary value, but also includes new features, performance improvement, exclusive design, and product benefits. Elements in the business process. The organization creates value by solving problems or meeting customer needs. Then, the organization delivers value to customers through physical or digital channels. Then, the organization captures value when customers pay or reward the organization. And the last, the organization continuously increases the value of the product and protect it from competition. Digital business model. The digital business model focuses on digital goods or service supported by internet, mobile, and computer technologies. Example of digital business model include the mobile apps market and the music industry undergoing radical change. Business model example, Funcom. Funcom is a Norwegian video game company best known for developing games such as Energy Online, Age of Conan, and The Secret World. However, in 2012, many gamers turned to the free-based business model popular on social media such as Facebook. Users don't have to pay a monthly fee to play games. As a result, Funcom was forced to change the Secret World business model from a subscription to an on-time purchase to match market trends and user preferences. This is a clear example of how business models need to adapt to change in consumer behavior and market trends to achieve success in a competitive industry. Increase business model complexity. Complexity in business model design is increased due to globalization, global competition, advanced technology, extensive use of information technology, and complex organizations. The company business model must be updated regularly to keep up with change in customer behavior, social trends, economic condition, and technology. Otherwise, it may result in decreased profit and even bankruptcy. The business model canvas. Business model canvas is a framework tool used to describe business models in different types of business, including digital business. Business model canvas is based on 9 main building blocks that describe the key elements of a business and how they relate to each other. Value proposition describe the value and benefits created by the organization that are offered to one or more customer segments. Customer segments identifies one or several customer segments targeted by the organization value proposition. Channels describe how the value proposition is transferred to the customer segments. Customer relationships defines the organization relationship with the customer segments. Key activities describe the key activities needed to create and offer the value proposition. Key resources classifies the key resources needed to support the key activities and to create and offer the value proposition to the customer segments. Key partners identifies the key partners required for creating and offering the value proposition to the customer segment. Cost structure identifies the elements that contribute to the cost of the organization, including the cost of the various key activities. Revenue streams describe how the different customer segments contribute to the organization income. Steps of business model canvas analysis. The first, the analysis starts with defining the set of value propositions the organization delivers to the customers. The second, identify the various customer segments and the value proposition each segment receives. Third, describe how the product is provided to the identified customer segment through specific channels, for example, over the internet or by postal services. Fourth, describe how customers directly and indirectly generate the revenue stream for the organization, also including customers or users receiving the product for free. Fifth, identify the relationship between the organization and the customers. Sixth, identify the set of key activities that are required to create and support one or several value propositions. 7. Identify the key resources required from these activities and for other purposes. 8. Determine the cost associated with key activities and key resources and the overall cost structure of the organization. And the last, identify strategic relationship with one or several key partners to support or contribute to the value proposition, key activities, and key resources. Digital business models are concerned with value proposition in the form of digital goods or services. Examples of digital business models that are significant in the development of the digital economy include World of Warcraft, Spotify, Facebook, Wikipedia, and Airbnb. These examples illustrate different types of digital business models that leverage the nature of the digital economy in different ways. The next case study about digital business model. Spotify is an example of a digital service that uses a freemium business model, where the service is offered to two different consumer segments. One segment gets the service for free with ads, while the other segment pays a monthly subscription fee for full access without ads. The two listener segments, paying and non-paying, do they positively impact each other in terms of network effect? Spotify's main strategy is to minimize marketing, customer acquisition, and customer service costs. Why do you think this strategy is in place? Their main challenge is to acquire and retain customers and coordinate the network effect between the paying and non-paying listener segment. So, how will Spotify deal with this challenge? Let's discuss together.
Hello guys, welcome! Today we will talk about the big data economics. The rise of big data has transformed the way business operates and people live. In this comprehensive guide, we explore the various application industries, players, and trend-savvy the big data economy and its potential to change the face of the world as we know it. What is big data? Big data refers to the vast volume of structured and unstructured data that inundates business on a daily basis. It encompasses a variety of data sources, including social media, Internet of Things or IoT, and machine-generated data. By leveraging advanced analytics tools, companies can capture, store, and analyze such data to gain valuable insights into consumer behavior, market trends, and business operation. The characteristic of big data is referred to as the four V's: volume, variety, velocity, and veracity. Volume is referring to the amount of digital data available for analysis. Variety, referring to the richness data categories such as fusion of text, location data, video, image, and social media activity. Then, velocity, referring to the speed by which data is generated and processed. Big data is usually produced in continuous process. Some of this data are captured, processed, and published in real time. And the last one, veracity, is referring to the exactness of the data. The accuracy of the data analysis depends on biases, noise, inaccuracies, and irregularities of the data sets. The application of big data are usually used for personalized marketing, healthcare management, monitoring smart cities, and public information of the government. Meanwhile, there are some industries that leveraging big data, namely finance, telecommunication, retail, and manufacturing industries. Emerging technologies enabling big data are artificial intelligence or AI, blockchain, and IoT devices. The emergence of big data can lead to several abuses of data collections, such as the case in China, which uses big data from citizens to create good social control in society. However, this is also dangerous because the data contains a lot of information about citizens who use surveillance camera in large number, information taken from online internet activities, and financial transactions. So the use of big data must be guarded carefully so it not causes misuse of personal data. And the big data economy can be defined as the integration of data, technology, and people into a new economic system that creates innovative products and services using data as a raw materials. The big data economy also comprises various sectors including data analytics, cloud computing, cybersecurity, and digital marketing. The integration of big data into these sectors had led to significant advancement, creating new business opportunity, jobs, and even entire industries. Some examples of the key players in the big data economy are Amazon Web Services or AWS, IBM, and Google Cloud. Well, actually, what are the benefits of big data? Number 1, big data can improve decision-making by provides enterprise with insights into consumer behavior, market trends, and business operation. Number 2, big data increases efficiency by reducing costs and increasing productivity across all departments. And number 3, data enhance customer experience by offer personalized recommendations, improve customer service, and create more meaningful experience for customer. The challenge faces in big data economy is ensuring accurate and reliable data or data quality. Number 2, protecting sensitive data from breach or data privacy. And number 3, integrating various data sources for analysis or data integration. And what makes the big data economy different than the other strategies? Big data economy is a strategy that uses data analytics to make more informed business decisions, while other strategies rely on intuition or historical trends. With big data economics, companies can gather and analyze large amounts of data in real time to identify insights and patterns that can help them optimize their operation and improve their bottom line. Okay guys, you know Netflix, right? Netflix uses big data analytics to understand user behavior and viewer patterns. The information gathered consists of information on viewing durations, device usage, pauses, and activity times. Over 70% of user-watched content on Netflix is based on suggestions, and the company utilizes this information to suggest movies or TV episodes. In order to create customized trailers for various user groups, the corporation also uses this data for marketing purposes. Based on information gathered from Netflix servers, the recommendation algorithm provides economic benefits by perhaps lowering subscriber churn, increasing Netflix marketing value, and also improving user pleasure. Okay guys, that's all about this video.
Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.